LED light bar 20-inch 300W 27240LM Tri-Rose LED light pod spot flood combo fast overview. Extremely bright, the 300-watt LED light bar features advanced triple rows of high-quality LED chips that emit a bright white light. A wiring harness is included for your convenience. The perfect combination of a spot beam and flood beam means a widespread and long-distance light. This makes this LED off-road light 1.3 times brighter than the usual dual-row 20-inch light pods. Quick cooling aluminum alloy heat sinks and high-quality heat conduction silicone gel can effectively extend the lifespan of this work light bar to over 50,000 hours. Manufactured from high-grade IP67 waterproof rated die-cast aluminum, this LED work lamp is waterproof, dustproof, rustproof, quake-proof and has efficient cooling. These light pods are designed for any harsh conditions with its durable materials. Triple row LED chips. This tri-row LED pod is a universal off-road light designed to increase visibility and provide light where headlights don't. It features a compact, low-profile and unique triple rows design, which allows the user to assemble multiple lights into various configurations. Wide range of application. The LED light bar can operate within a wide 9 to 32 volts DC range. It fits SUVs, UTVs, ATVs, Jeeps, 4x4s, 4WDs, cars, motorcycles, trucks, trailers, forklifts, trains, boats, backup lights. As well, you can also use it on excavators, dozers, road rollers, cranes, tractors, harvesters, grain drills, mowers, snowplows, fire engines, rescue vehicles, camping, mining, construction lighting, etc. Household lighting. The tri-row LED work lamp can be used for gardens, backyards, garages, indoor lighting and more. Note: use a voltage transformer converter to convert the AC 110 to 120 volts to DC 12 volts for indoor use. Super bright. This tri-row LED pod is a universal off-road light designed to increase visibility and provide light where headlights don't. It features a compact, low-profile and unique triple rows design, which allows the user to assemble multiple lights into various configurations. 3-year warranty. With adjustable mounting brackets, the light bar can be adjusted to about 45 degrees. Compatible with most Jeeps, 4x4s, trucks, motorcycles, SUVs, ATVs, cars, boats, and off-road vehicles. It can be also used as garden lighting, backyard lighting, backup light, and construction lighting.